This Ballerini Parma by Henckels 8-inch nonstick fry pan is a great option for your kitchen. It's made in Italy. The pan feels strong and durable. Cleaning it is super easy. Food doesn't stick to it. This makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. If you want a reliable small fry pan, this could be it. It won't cost you a fortune either. Think of it as a smart purchase for your daily cooking prep. The non-stick surface of the Ballerini Parma by Henckels 8-inch nonstick pan is like a smooth cloud. Food glides easily. You won't have to scrub hard after cooking. This saves you time and effort. The 8-inch dimensions are perfect for cooking single servings or small sides. It's a handy size to have. This sartenes is a valuable inversion for anyone who loves to cook. It will quickly rank as one of your favorite kitchen tools. Overall, the Ballerini Parma by Henckels 8-inch nonstick fry pan is a solid choice. It's made well and easy to use. While it's not a large griddle, it handles everyday cooking tasks beautifully. From eggs to stir-fries, this little cooker does a good job. It's a simple yet effective tool. If you need a dependable nonstick pan, consider this one. It's a practical addition to any kitchen. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: durable build, made in Italy, heats evenly, quick release, less oil needed, metal utensil. Safe, scratch resistant, dishwasher safe. Cons: coating can degrade, not for very high heat, can scratch easily, not always oven safe, may not last forever, some worry about chemicals, not ideal for searing, can lose nonstick over time. Metal utensils not advised, hand wash may be better. Features: brand, Ballerini, product line, Parma, manufacturer, Henckels, size, 8-inch, type, nonstick fry pan, origin, made in Italy, material, not explicitly stated, durability, durable, cleaning, easy to clean, handle. Material, not explicitly stated. This 8-inch nonstick fry pan is made in Italy by Ballerini, a brand under Henckels. It's part of the Parma product line and is designed to be durable and easy to clean. This pan is great for cooking things that might usually stick, and it's not hard to wash after you're done. This Ballerini Parma 8-inch fry pan is made in Italy and designed to be tough and easy to clean. It heats food evenly and has a non-stick surface that lets food slide off easily, so you don't need much oil. It's made to handle metal utensils and resist scratches, and you can put it in the dishwasher. However, the non-stick coating might wear down over time. It's not meant for very high heat, and it could get scratched. Also, it might not be safe for the oven. And like all pans, it won't last forever. Some people are concerned about the chemicals used in nonstick pans. It's not the best for getting a good sear on food, and the nonstick quality can decrease with use. While it's said to be metal utensil safe, some suggest hand washing might be better for its longevity.